We are going to study installing, activating, deactivating, and deleting a theme and a plugin to a WordPress website. Now, to install or to activate and install theme, or even to delete a theme, now we have to go to here under this appearance. You can find themes. There you have to go, and you can see this is the theme that is active. You can see that active theme. So these themes came with WordPress by default. They came with the WordPress. So when you install a new WordPress, when you create a new website, you can see these themes will be there. So if you want a new theme, you can simply click on this add new button, and you can search for a theme. Now, for example, like there are many themes, but very popular and best free themes are like Astra, Ocean WP, Neve. There are so many themes. You can just go for anything you like. So we will just go to search for Astra. And now you can see this is what we were looking for. And to install this theme to our WordPress website, just click on it. So it will be installing. And then click on this activate button to activate this Astra theme for your WordPress website. Now you can see the active theme of your website is Astra. So these are not active, and additional theme that is being installed into your website. So if you don't want other themes in your website, then you have to click on it, view the theme, and here you can find a delete button to delete the theme from your website. So simply click on it. It will be asked to confirm, and just click OK to delete the theme. Follow the same step to delete the other inactive themes from your website. And this is the theme that is active. And now you should know that theme is actually giving the style, the look, the appearance for your website. So the look, the style, and everything, that user interface is actually depends on the theme that you use. So basically, these themes that comes with the WordPress, they are actually not having much features and all. They don't have much functions with them. So that is why we went with other extra themes. So Astra, Ocean WP, or any other theme, or even the premium theme you can go with. So that's why we have seen this installing and activating process. If you don't want this Astra, then what you have to do, you have to activate another theme that has been installed, or you have to add a new theme and then activate it. After that, you can delete this theme from your website. So that's the way of installing, activating, and deleting a theme from your website. Now next, we will see installing, activating, deactivating, and deleting a plugin from our website. Now to do so, you can see you have to go to add new to add a new plugin to our website. So go there. Before installing a plugin to our website, you should know that plugins are actually additional functions to our website. They are giving extra functions to our website. For example, if you want a form, a contact form, or a sign up form, or any kind of form, for that one, you should have a plugin called WP forms or any other form builders. So they are actually plugins that you can find on this WordPress, which means if you want any additional function to our WordPress website, you have to go for the particular plugin to add that function to your website. So for example, here we have plugins called page builders or even website builders. So they are actually used to create pages, posts in our WordPress site. So we require actually in our these lessons, these tutorials of WordPress website development, we will be using a theme called Elementor to create to create WordPress pages, posts, and all. So we will now see how to install that plugin to our WordPress site. Now search for Elementor here. It's actually a website builder or page builder that you can find here. So this is actually misspelled here. Now this is the right name of it. Now you can see this is actually a website builder. So click on this install now button to install this plugin to your website. Now you can see after installing this WordPress plugin, this Elementor plugin to our WordPress site, now this activate button is appear. Simply click on it to activate the theme. After that, click on this install plugins to see the plugins that are installed to WordPress site. Now you can see there are some plugins that are not active. So if you want to activate them, click on this activate button and it will be activated. So if you want to deactivate a plugin, simply click on this deactivate. And if you don't want a plugin, then you have to delete that plugin from your WordPress. So how to delete? Now here you can find this delete button. So simply click on it and confirm to delete that plugin from your WordPress site. Actually, you can perform these actions as bulk by selecting all or whatever the plugins that you have installed here, and you can just deactivate them or even delete them. Other things also can be done. So this is how we install, activate, deactivate, and delete a theme and plugins to our WordPress website. In next lesson, we will see creating pages and posts using the plugin that we have installed now.